Welcome to Apple Mac Tamil channel. Top 5 Adobe Premiere Pro plugins. Magic Bullet Suite 14 is a set of tools for color correction, finishing and film looks. Together they bring to it is powerful real-time color correction and beyond right to your editorial timeline. Najib Bullet Looks is the easiest, most powerful way to make your video look great with over 300 fully customizable presets to get you started and into a set of tools for creating your own color grade and both input and output color handling. Magic Bullet Looks fits right into any real-time color workflow. Magic Bullet Color Reach 5 brings streamlined professional color correction directly to your editing timeline. Colorist that gives you easy access to the powerful and essential tools needed to correct and refine the color in your shop, and it includes a new powerful LED workflow guided color correction and an integrated Adobe panel that gives you access to everything you need for a professional grade. Magic Bullet Denoise 3 is your solution for incredibly fast and easy video noise reduction with no fuss. Just apply the noise and your footage instantly looks better. Magic Bullet Mojo 2 makes it easy to give your footage the cinematic color grading of a Hollywood film in seconds. Mojo to emphasize his skin tones while giving your footage a film-like contrast and the unified complementary color palette of a big budget movie. Magic Bullet because number 2 is your secret weapon for perfect cosmetic cleanup. This simple but powerful tool helps you quickly correct skin tones and remove age or blemishes from your on-screen talent. Magic Bullet Reno Laser Kiss your footage cinematic texture and grain. Whether you know Easter video created CG or motion graphics, or if your digital video is just to clean the noise or give your footage a truly cinematic feel. Magic Bullet Film gives your footage the authentic look and color. Real film emulating not just the film stocks themselves but the entire photochemical process from the original film negative, the color grading, film grain and vignette, and finally to the print stock. Adjective Bullet Suite 14. Color on your timeline. Boris FX Mocha Motion Tracking is a core foundation for film and television effects and post-production. This digital pixel process uses computer algorithms to track camera and object motion. When done correctly, motion tracking can save artists literally hours of time on visual effects shots. The industry's most recognized and powerful tracking application is Mocha Pro from Boris FX. For almost 20 years, Locus groundbreaking planner tracking has been lauded for its ability to solve the tracking shots where other softwares failed. Mocha is designed to follow planar surface textures, all types of motion. The user defines the search area. Amok does the rest. This power is often used on effects shots that are completely invisible to the viewer. To replace backgrounds and extend sets, to insert new content on the screen, and to help editors and directors tell their stories and poems. Mocha is often used to match new environments to camera motion. As a digital assistant, the practical effects, remarkable space tracking, and retouching sites based on user feedback. Local Pro's pioneering features have evolved over the years to simplify time-consuming effects, to create and drive masking layers, to remove unwanted objects such as wire and harnesses, and to stabilize footage with minimal manual adjustments. Television productions from all over the world rely on Mocha's Core 2. With a passionate user base and seamless compatibility with all major editing and effects applications, Mocha Pro continues to make its mark on the television industry. Motion Array. Introducing Rainier Pro plugins by Motion, or get more out of your edits with our native drag and drop transitions and effects that work across videos, images and titles. These are each included transition and effect has been designed and engineered by a team of award-winning motion designers, and of course, and with robust controls for customization, you have endless possibilities. For creating unique results, retro looks, digital or analog glitch effects and carefully crafted organic transitions are all at your fingertips natively inside of Premiere Pro. Easily install and browsing your effects and transitions. A fast-growing library of professional helps you get your work done faster without compromising quality. It's time to work smarter. Get home early, you've earned it. This is new Blue Titler Pro 7, the fastest way to add high-quality custom-made titles to your projects. Titler Pro 7 has been completely rebuilt from the ground up with new features including performance upgrades, enhanced customization and over 500 exciting new templates. Titler Pro 7 works as fast as you do. The only intelligent caching renders titles in the background, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Design sharing allows you to try out a variety of looks while keeping your title text intact. Even lets you make changes to a single title and a place that changed every matching title your project instantaneously. Not only this, Titler Pro 7 come with hundreds of new templates with the Title Designer, give you an extensive suite of tools for creating your own professional high-quality titles, animations including text controls, 3D style effects and lighting and camera options, combined with new features such as data graphing, playback looping, animated best. Titler Pro 7 makes it easy to create and edit elaborate, elegant titles, all without ever leaving your editing software. Amber Phrase 7 is more flexible than ever. The reworked lasting timeline allows you to instantly change the duration of any title in your video editing software without affecting its animations for playbacks. After Effects designs directly into Titler Pro, changing text and images from a single real-time interface. The custom design degree in Titler Pro 7 are also fully compatible with live software, allowing you to utilize the same title seamlessly into live production environment. FX Factory is a revolutionary visual effects app store for Final Cut Pro Motion. After Effects and Premiere Pro take your projects to the next level with hundreds of hardware-accelerated film quality plugins for video stylization and looks, color correction, photo animation, transitions, articles, keying, data animation, titling, video repair, audio correction, in workflow solutions. Once installed, Effects Factory plugins are available right inside your favorite editing and compositing apps. My filters were transitions as you would any other just drag and drop. Plugins come with lots of built-in presets to get you started. I need to find something specific for your project. The FX Factory out shows you all visual effects available in an interface familiar to anyone who's used an app store. While you're browsing for effects, click download to install a free trial of the product. Browse all of the effects that come with it and click tutorial.